Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Ioniq service light. This guide will help you clear that service required message using your vehicle's controls. We'll cover the simple steps to navigate the menu and confirm the reset, ensuring your dashboard is clear. It's a quick process you can do yourself, saving you time and a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. To begin, make sure your Hyundai Ioniq is safely parked and the ignition is turned to the on position, but the engine does not need to be running. Now, find the mode or menu button on your steering wheel, typically on the right side. Use this button to cycle through the options on your instrument cluster display until you reach the user settings or settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, use the scroll or arrow buttons on your steering wheel to find and select convenience or vehicle settings. From there, scroll down to service interval and press the OK button to enter. You will then see an option to reset the service interval. Press and hold the OK button until the display confirms the reset. After performing the reset, check your instrument cluster to ensure the service required message or spanner icon has disappeared. If it's still there, you might need to repeat the steps carefully. Once confirmed, turn your ignition off and then restart the vehicle to finalize the process. If the light remains after multiple attempts, it's wise to consult a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.